Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the Honor 8C, and this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size with no support a fast charging, internal having a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with a 3 GB RAM, and you can see this phone is giving you a dual cameras on the back as well as the beautiful gradient look on the back. It is having a blue color, and let's quickly show you the charger of this phone that actually comes with right out the box. You can see here is a default charger, and the ampere rating is having a 5 volt with 2 ampere charger. Let's show you the battery percentage on this phone. You can see here the battery percentage is having a 12%, and you can see everything is closed up in the background, nothing open like Wi-Fi, everything is off right now, and the SIM card is also here in this phone. So let's quickly start a test, and you can see here is a switchboard. Let's quickly insert this as well as the micro USB cable, not type C I have to say, and you can see it is micro USB. Let's connect a cable with phone, and you can see this phone is showing me the charging is start. So let's calculate a time on my Samsung Galaxy A30 and start. So I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after exact half hour. I think I have to say that this phone is giving you a LED notification as well, which you don't see on the Samsung Galaxy A30, which has more expensive phone than Honor 8C. That's a very good thing about this phone. Okay guys, I am back after half hour. So let's see the battery percentage on the Honor 8C, and the battery percentage is having a 37%. It is about, and the battery percentage is having a 24%, is done in just 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour, and let's see the battery percentage on the Honor 8C, and the battery percentage is having a 62%. So I will be back after 1 hour and exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour and exact 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and exact 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage on the Honor 8C, and the battery percentage is having a 83%. So I will be back after when phone is charged up to 100%. So see you guys after when phone is charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back, and you can see and phone is fully charged up to 100%, and the time is having a 2 hours and 14 minutes, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is having fully charged about 2 hours and 9 minutes, and it is much more time charge this phone up to 100%. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Honor 8C. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.